Hello everyone, today we are discussing new project which name is DexGem Multi-Chain Decentralized Protocols. DexGem is a permissionless and community governed launchpad project to raise liquidity in a secure and decentralized community that will choose the project to be listed on the launchpad. You can buy DexGem through Google Form. This is the registration form. Simply fill up this form, your email address, Web20 address from Trust Wallet, your Telegram username and amount BNB, and then submit this form. They will send you tokens according to your fund. And these are supporting blockchains: Binance Smart Chain, Hiko, Ethereum, OKX Chain, Solana, Polygon, Tron. DexGem originally deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. Our services will operational on multi-chains, allowing projects, communities, and token developers to utilize these stable tools for them. We believe the future of the entire cryptocurrency industry is a multi-chain. And this is the detail of DexGem. Why choose DexGem? As the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem grows, more and more projects are expected to pop out of nowhere. For every new project that comes out, many bad actors could take advantage of the freedom and permissionless nature of DeFi to scam users of their hard-earned cash. The project investor fund and save legitimate project from inconvenient hurdles of pre-sale. DexGem offers a secure platform where the community is its total control of the pre-sale process of a project. And this is the detail of giving back power to the community. Our goal is to create a secure, permissionless and community-governed ILO ecosystem. The DexGem token will play a vital role in this, characterized by plenty of utility. Nowadays, many launchpads exercise an overly bureaucratic and complex system to determine which project will be featured on their platform. We are different in the sense that upcoming project can push their product to the mainstream in a more permissionless manner. Afterward, it is up to the community to decide which project will be listed on for funding. Successful incubation program at DexGem will reward project with a token grant that will only be released after a specific time with the community approval, of course. So this is the end of the video. In the second part, we will discuss its feature and its document page. Thanks for watching.